What if you had a tool at hand that would bring you to a state where you felt clear, focused and happy? Origins Lodge is the perfect place to reconnect to yourself, to come home to your own breath. After the 5-day retreat, you will have a very powerful technique in your hands, a tool to relax, sleep better and to improve your energy levels. You can actually hack into your nervous system. When you learn to understand the power of your own breath, everything in your life rises to another level.